Hello everyone, Vomari here and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. So we're going to make our last holiday card. And I'm so sad because I love Christmas. I love Christmas crafting, and we are going to use the Gnome for Christmas stamp set. We are also using the fashion accessories, and we are going to be using the scratchy plaid background, which I love. And so I'm going to cut out some red cardstock, and I'm going to grab a few of these boots and purses. These are so fun, and I am just going to run these through my small die cutting machine. And they were kind of falling out, but I didn't grab any tape, so I'm just gonna wing it. And there's some presents in here, which I thought it was fun because you know, we do give these items out for presents. So I thought it was kind of cute to pair this gnome with some of these fashion accessories. And I'm just going to poke some of my purses out here, and boots and handles for these purses, and I did run them out of red. I ran them with red and gold and let me see, green cardstock. So I think I'll just be running some of these. Yep, I'm just grabbing my cardstock and I'm just going to be die cutting some more of these pieces. And I did lose a few on my desk because they're little and I am messy. So now I'm using that scratchy plaid background rubber stamp, and I'm using some green ink with some white cardstock, and I'm just going to put my cardstock on top and see how good of a background I got. It wasn't perfect, so here it is. It wasn't perfect, but I liked it and it worked for my card today. So I am just going to color this gnome for Christmas. This gnome, these gnomes are cute. There is a few of them in this stamp set, and I chose to go with this one. He seems like, I don't know, he seemed like he would go with this card. He's just sitting there and I could tell he looks happy. And I am just putting a few of my Copic markers down. I will also have them listed if you are interested, or maybe you can color with me. So maybe we can make this card together if you have this stamp, or you have another stamp. Maybe you're doing some other holiday crafting. I have just been having a blast with Whimsy stamps, all the cute Christmas cuteness that's been coming out, and so I am enjoying crafting using this cute gnome. And I'm just adding my greens there, and I think he would have been cute too if I just left him with green and white, but I am using a red color combo. I decided not to go with that red, so here is the red that I'm using. And I'm going to be using this red throughout my coloring, and also I'll be using the greens again. And so this guy is really easy to color, and pretty much just have to color his beard. And I am using these colors for his skin and for his beard. And then I do go back and add some pinks for the cheeks. And just really simple coloring, but cute. I think he came out cute. I went for the traditional red and green colors, and of course the bells, I had to do them kind of yellowish gold. And I chose to just give him some red shoes and have that green. It's like a, I don't know if it's like a decoration, but I put it as a green decoration on his shoes there. And so adding the cheeks, and now I will do those bells, and I think just a little more pink for the cheeks and the green for his shoes, and he was finished, and he was simple, which I love. And like I said, I should have made 2 of these cards, because when I send one out, I always wish I could send another one of these out, and so I will just have to make another one. And I'm just adding my white gel accents with my Jelly Roll pen. And I'm using a black Sharpie marker for the eyes. My black gel pen wasn't working, and now I'm going to use the outline dies and cut them out. And then here are the fashion accessories, and I'm just going to put some of these purses together the best way that I can. I wasn't sure if I was doing it right, but I think it came out cute either way. So, and I love handbags, and I do collect them. So this is always fun for me to play with, and I always love to add some like foil cardstock. Last time I used like a black, so this time I used gold. And I have a sentiment there also from the same stamp set, and then I used the large Mary die set. And I'm just going to I cut my background with that holly frame rectangle die, and I punched out all the holly leaves, and I'm just going to add my stand and then kind of place some of these accessories on there the best way that I can. And so there is one purse there. And I'm going to put my sentiments there and my gnome right next to the stand. And I'm just using liquid glue for him. I do pop up a couple things. I think it's just the boots, and then it's just, I put him above those die, where those leaves had die cut, so that you can see my full border there. And then so I'm just using my liquid glue, and I'm going to add that Mary and then put my boots, and I'm going to add a present. And I thought he looked cute holding a present, so I am going to give him one. And now he looks even more happy to gift someone a fashion accessory. Maybe it's one of these perfume bottles that are so cute. So yeah, so I hope you grab these fashion accessories, because they can be used all year long. And you see that I used it before for a birthday card, and now I'm using it for a Christmas card, and you can use it anytime. So just adding a few more of those handbags, and we're just about finished. So here it is. I did add some white gel accents on the purses. And so thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day.